Imagine you're about to embark on a weekend getaway. You've packed your bags, booked your flight, and you're all set to have a blast. But then, a nagging thought creeps in: do I have enough cash? EverBank is a popular online bank known for its competitive rates and convenient services. But what about the basics? Does EverBank offer ATM access? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding EverBank. EverBank is a digital-first bank, meaning it primarily operates online. This means it doesn't have physical branches like traditional banks. But does that mean you're stuck without access to your money? The ATM dilemma. Traditional banks have a vast network of ATMs, making it easy to withdraw cash whenever you need it. But with EverBank's online-only approach, how do you access your funds? The short answer is, you can't. The allure of online banking. While the lack of ATMs might be a drawback for some, EverBank offers many advantages. It often provides competitive interest rates, lower fees, and convenient online and mobile banking services. Alternative options. So, if EverBank doesn't have ATMs, what are your options for accessing your money? ATM partnerships. Some online banks partner with ATM networks or other financial institutions to provide ATM access to their customers. While this might involve fees, it can be a convenient solution. Debit cards. EverBank will likely provide you with a debit card. You can use this card at participating retailers and restaurants to make purchases. Cashback. Many retailers offer a cashback option when you make a purchase with your debit card. This allows you to withdraw a portion of your purchase amount in cash. Checks. While less common nowadays, you can still write checks from your EverBank account. You can then cash these checks at participating banks or credit unions. Peer-to-peer transfers. If you know someone with a physical bank account, you can transfer funds to them and withdraw cash from their ATM. Making the most of online banking. Even without ATMs, EverBank can be a great choice for those who prefer the convenience and potential savings of online banking. By understanding the alternative options and making the most of the bank's digital features, you can still manage your finances effectively. So, to answer the question, no, EverBank does not have its own ATMs. However, by exploring the alternative options available, you can still access your funds and enjoy the benefits of online banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.